Whether for construction work or simple do-it-yourself home repairs, an air compressor will surely make things easier. And if you're the type who likes doing things themselves, you'll surely be impressed by this powerful tool, as it can help you a ton with other pneumatic tools like nail guns, spray guns, air blowers, and so much more. But if you live in a place with limited space, storage can pose a potential problem, as air compressors are usually bulky and eat up a lot of space. Luckily, portable air compressors are available. Not only does it prove to be a convenient tool, but some portable air compressors also come in combos, meaning they're combined with some pneumatic tools to make your life a whole lot easier. Want to purchase a portable air compressor but don't know where to start? Don't worry, we've got that covered for you. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy our list for today. Welcome to the 5 best portable air compressors. Let's begin. Taking our top spot is the 3-tool and compressor combo kit PCFP 12234 from Porter Cable. As the name suggests, this combo kit consists of a pancake compressor, a nail gun, and a crown stapler that will surely speed things up in the repair department, enabling you to save time so you can spend it with the people who really matter. Being a combo kit, this unit is packed with a lot of features that have been well thought out of to ensure you get the most out of it. The pancake compressor itself has been equipped with a lot of features, such as a 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi that allows for a speedy recovery time, 10 amps of current that allows the compressor to be used with a 16-gallon or heavier extension cord, 50 feet or less. 150 psi max enables you to drive more nails than a regular 135 max psi compressor. It only weighs 30 pounds, letting you move it about much easier. And a protective shroud that offers the best protection and allows you to move. The additional tools didn't come up short on this compressor either, as Porter Cable obviously made an effort to ensure you get nothing but the best. Additional features for the nail gun include the standard 16 GA finished nails from 1 inch to 2.5 inches long, using standard 18 GA brad nails from 5/8 to 2 inches long, while the heavy-duty 3/8 crown stapler drives heavy-duty 3/8 crown staples from 1/4 inch to 9/16 of an inch for multiple applications. If the features we've already mentioned weren't enticing enough, you'll also be thrilled to know that this kit comes with a 25-foot 1/4 inch air hose with a plug and coupler, fasteners, and a belt hook accessory. All of these features in one portable air compressor? Surely the 3-tool and compressor combo kit is the perfect tool for all your repair needs. Taking our second spot is the heavy-duty compressor combo kit DW1 KIT 18PP from DeWalt. This combo kit includes a 165 psi max pancake compressor, an 18 GA brad nailer featuring precision point technology, and a 50-foot premium air hose guaranteed to provide the ultimate convenience. The heavy-duty compressor combo kit is equipped with a wide selection of features specially designed to provide ease. The pancake compressor itself is packed with features such as a 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 psi, 6-gallon tank, and 165 psi max tank storage pressure that ensures longer runtime and quicker recovery. A high-efficiency motor that easily starts up even in cold weather, high-flow regulator and couplers that maximize the air tool's performance, a low 75.5 dBA to allow for quiet working environments, and a durable oil-free pump that provides longer maintenance-free operation. It also has a console cover that protects the controls and can be easily removed when you need to repair it. The additional tools were also built with features that will provide utter convenience. The nail gun is packed with DeWalt's precision point technology that ensures precise nail placements while eliminating the need to compress the contact trip to actuate the tool. It also features the brad nailer tool-free jam release mechanism that allows for easy nail removal. The hose is made from a PVC rubber blend, which is lightweight and non-marring with low memory to better resist kinks and twisting. If you're looking for a portable air compressor that can live up to its promises, then this might just be the one you're looking for. Aren't air compressors amazing tools? Well, you've only seen 2 out of the 5, so stay tuned for 3 more. If you're new to the community, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and while you're at it, please hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we post new content. Now back to our list. At number 3 is the 20-gallon 175 PSI portable electric air compressor from Husky Tools. This reliable portable air compressor doesn't come with a combo, but will still surely be worth every penny, as it's packed with a lot of innovative features. Boasting a high-performance motor and pump, this unit delivers 175 max PSI along with a 4.0 SCFM at 90 PSI. A higher PSI means the air tool has longer run times, approximately 80%, giving you increased project efficiency, while its 83 decibels assure a quiet working environment. It's also fitted with 7-inch wheels that enable you to easily move it to wherever the work needs to be done. The pumps are oil-free, so you'll be able to use it for spray painting without the need for oil separators in the air system. The 20-gallon 175 PSI portable electric air compressor's slim vertical design is also made to take up less space, as it leaves a smaller footprint. You can rest assured you're not causing too much harm either to the environment. As we mentioned many times already, air compressors are really astonishing tools. They can help you accomplish a ton of things that you didn't even know you could do with a portable air compressor. You'll not only be able to use it for nailing, stapling, or inflations, but you'll also be able to use it for HVLP painting, bolting, fastening, cutting, drilling, medium-duty framing or roofing, and surface prep. To add more to the list of this unit's helpful features, it also comes with access to lifetime customer support that you can contact anytime. Just give them a ring or visit their website for awesome customer service. At number 4 on our list is the 5.2-gallon 3.0 HP electric single-tank air compressor from Makita. This unit from Makita is one little compressor that ensures the job gets done so you won't have to worry about unfinished repairs anymore. Equipped with Makita's big bore engineering pump, cycle, and piston, this air compressor produces a higher output for 2 nailers while giving off less noise, letting you enjoy a quiet working environment. It's powered by a 3.0 horsepower motor that produces 6.5 CFM at 90 PSI for increased productivity, and it has a built-in thermal overload for safety. The cast iron pump and it's designed to provide faster recovery time and better performance. It's also oil lubricated to decrease wear and provide cooler running temperatures. Don't worry about when to add oil, as it's also equipped with an oil sight glass, which ensures a fast, effortless, and efficient maintenance. This unit's cast iron cylinder can be removed for effortless maintenance while increasing pump life and reducing the wear caused by frequent use. It's fitted with rugged wheels that allow for easy transport across the job site, and built-in storage that lets you store your air fittings and all your favorite accessories, enabling you to save even more space. It also has tool hangers that let you conveniently store tools when you're not using them, therefore giving you more space you can use for more important things. The folding handle will assist you with portability and provide convenience when storing the unit, as it can be stored either folded or upright. Taking our 5th spot is the 18-volt 1 Plus 1-gallon air compressor from Ryobi. This small but terrible unit will definitely be a perfect addition to your do-it-yourself equipment. Boasting its cordless air feature, this compressor can reach a maximum of 120 PSI, while its professional locking regulator ensures that the PSI is always set to the intended rate. Stuck with a flat tire on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere? Well, the 18-volt 1 Plus 1-gallon air compressor works perfectly well for roadside inflations. You won't have to worry about that anymore, as this compressor can transform your tire from flat to full in just under a minute. Plus, not only is this compressor perfect for roadside emergencies, but it also works well with pneumatic tools such as finish nailers. It also features a universal push-to-connect quick coupler that ensures an easy and speedy one-hand operation. Additional features include a metal air hose wrap, which ensures easy onboard storage, a rubber over mold on the handle that allows you to move it effortlessly, a 1/4-inch turn tank drain valve for hassle-free maintenance. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it for easy transportation while allowing you to conveniently store it anywhere. The 18-volt 1+ 1-gallon air compressor only produces 78 decibels, which provide a quieter working space, but the biggest feature of all, and mostly for us, is that it's cordless, so you won't be tethered to a power outlet when you use it. It comes with a 3-year warranty, so you can rest assured it'll withstand the test of time. Air compressors really do a great job at helping us accomplish our jobs. Portable air compressors are even more beneficial with all of their enhanced features. So if you've been putting off getting one of these, then now might be the best time to purchase it. We hope we were able to help you find the best portable air compressor, and if you did, you might want to check out the links we prepared in the description. There you'll see where you can catch these items at their best price. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to click on the subscribe button for more informative and up-to-date reviews. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content, and if you want to reach out, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or a request. That concludes our list of the 5 best portable air compressors. Thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.